Today I will be showing to you how you can combine multiple items in Alien Worlds blockchain so that you can save time and you can be able to maximize your profits, whether you are farming TLM or you are farming NFTs. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go here into the wax.blocks.io, and then let's open Atomic Hub. Okay, since we will be able to see our items inside this platform once it is logged in. So the next thing that you just need to do here is, of course, just log in with your Wax Cloud wallet. Okay, and after that you go here into the inventory, and then go into this one. Okay, as you can see here, I do have 3 exo gloves that I'm currently mining. So I'm going to teach you how you can combine multiple items. Okay, so you will go in M.federation. As you can see here, this is the keyword right here. So you will go here, wax.blocks.io account.m.federation, and then you will go to the contract, and then go to the actions and click this setback function right here. So the next thing you need to do is, of course, re-log in again with your account. Okay, you need to log in again, and then type in your account here. So after you've typed your account, you need to go into the Atomic Hub again, and then just go for your Exo Gloves item right here. So let's say I want to equip all of this one. Okay, I know it is not possible, because if you will equip it inside the Alien Worlds platform, you can equip it like these 3 items right here. So for you to equip this one, you will need to go here, and you will need to open each item. I mean, open its details. Okay, open every single detail of the item, and then as you can see here, there is an asset right here. So I'm going to explain it to you real quick how it works. So this asset, this is what you will put inside here in the items, and for you to be able to put it inside, you need to wait you need to copy this one, copy this, and then go into this one. So enter items. So this is how you do it. You open bracket, then open phrase, open apostrophe rather, and then close this one out, and then you will repeat this one into the 2 items as well. So as you can see here, I do have this, and then you will just move on into this one, and then put it here. Okay, put it again here, and then comma, and then open phrase again. You copy this one again. So after you copy this one, just submit the transaction, and it will be good to go. So that's how you do it. It's really easy. After you I just want to as well to inform you that after you submit this transaction right here, you will need to what do you call that, you will need to reload your Alien Worlds. So after you reload this one, it will appear like this one right here. So that's how easy it is. You will just need to reload it, and then equip it. So that is it for this video, guys. This is a short video because I know a lot of people are playing Alien Worlds now, but I want to help a lot of people, who especially beginners right now, to learn how to equip this item. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one, and if you do so, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here, and see you on the next video.